Tomorrow marks the beginning of tax season. THV 11's Julissa Garza spent some time with experts and shares what you need to know before you file.
It's the time of year that can be stressful and sometimes confusing. Tax filing season.
They should make a checklist of everything that happened throughout the year so they know what forms to expect.
Rose Grounds has been helping Arkansans file their taxes for over a decade and says a lot has changed this year.
With the tax law changes, credits went from, say, child tax credit from $3,600 down to $2,000 to $1,500. So they need to be educated and be prepared to expect that smaller refund.
Last year, you may have gotten a deduction for donating to a charity, but Grounds says that process has changed.
They could actually deduct $300 for single or $600 for married filing joint on the above-the-line charitable contribution. Well, that has been eliminated. You can still deduct those things, don't get me wrong, but you have to itemize your deductions.
Like Grounds, Rashonda Franklin is gearing up to help her tax clients and says another difference this year is digital sources of income impacting forms.
Our digital creators, those that are on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, they're making money. And so now they are receiving 1099s. If they sold digital currency, it's on the 1040 this year. So the 1040 may look different.
Franklin says it may even cost you more to file.
The differences in previous years that we have to do now, it may take us a little longer to do a tax return.
Both experts say the key this year is to not rush.
It's actually more important to wait a little bit later on in the season to file, and then also you want to make sure you receive all your forms.
And make sure you're prepared.
And get a game plan, and don't be afraid to call your tax professional, your accountant.
Julissa Garza, THV 11 News.
You have until April 18th to file this year. That deadline was extended because the typical April 15th deadline is over a holiday weekend.